I did it. I did it. I finally got all the Dinobots and I formed Volcanicus. I'm so happy. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. He looks so great. Look at, I mean, he kind of looks lanky. What the heck? I was expecting more. This is supposed to be my review of the Volcanicus. I mean, I don't know what to do now. Wait a minute. Bam! Here you have the Transformed Dreamwave TCW-06. In other words, this is their version of a Dinobot upgrade kit for Volcanicus. Get ready. This is going to be monstrous. Boom, baby.
Originus, Maximus, Breeze.
Alright. We are back. Now, I got all my parts for the Dinobots, and I finally got a chance to make the video, you know. But, I mean, by this time, there's been all kinds of videos of putting together Volcanicus. So, I mean, I figured I'd wait and do the upgrade video for the upgrade part. So, here we are. And but before I do, I want to check out Volcanicus the way he is right now. I mean, as you can see, he's kind of lanky. I mean, his waist is like way too thin. I mean, look at that. So he looks like a tall, skinny guy with big legs. So hopefully we'll be able to change all that and make him into something more. I mean, I do like the Volcanicus figure. But like I said, I mean, he just looked too lanky. I expected more within this Transformer. So, I mean, not to mention one other thing. Hold up a second. What is this all about? I mean, why would you make him this big and make him that daggone big? It makes no sense. I mean, in the cartoon, these are supposed to be rivals. But you still make him that size. Now, if I was Hasbro, before everybody jumps on the bandwagon, I'd upgrade my own stuff to the Titan class. That way you can make a little bit extra money. Because me personally, yeah, if I had a Titan class Dinobot set, yeah, I'd buy it. I ain't gonna lie. So, Hasbro, it's what you should do. But I want my Dreamwave review. Alright, here's the box for the Transformed Dreamwave TCW-06. It's their upgrade kit. Now, if you take a look at the side, you got some guns in there, some swords. Look at the back, it shows you everything they got. So we're going to get new feet, new hands, new pieces to upgrade him and make him look that much better. So, if you're like me, you want your Volcanicus to look that much better. Even if he is a runt. So, is there anything on the bottom? Oh, you got the sword on the bottom. And the sword on top. And the back once again. So, let's go ahead and open this up. I will say that mine did ride with a dent in it. So, but luckily, hopefully everything's intact. So I ain't opened it yet. So, let's check it out. Okay, the box is open. Now, there was a few pieces that kind of fell out, I guess, during the transport. Let's see. That fell out and that fell out. So those are the pieces that fell out. Other than that, let me open my sword. So, right here, they give you, I guess you get two of these swords. So here's one, And there's the other. Alright, so it looks like we got these guns right here. Got a pair right there, a pair right there, and this one I guess goes with this up here. So, you've also got like the swords. You got like the black versions, and you got the red versions. So I think that's pretty cool. Like you got the black version of this sword, and you got the reddish orange version too. So that's pretty cool. I like it. And you got these pieces right here. I guess this is the hands, the chest piece, the hand. I think it's a back piece. These are the feet. And I think these are the thigh parts. Over here, it's the waist piece. Not for sure about that, or that, or that. So hey, that's why we're doing this review for. We're going to find out. Now I did get a instruction manual to check out this stuff, so I'm gonna. It says you can add some of these guns to the Dinobot parts add to the Dinobots as add-on. So we'll probably do that at the end of the review. But right now, let's see what this upgrade can do. Alright. Alright, so what they want you to do is to basically turn these legs around like this. Like I said, I've detached all the legs and arm attachments, but you want to move these around like this. Alright, and you want to unplug this up here. Bring this up. You're going to bring this up down like this. So that's what we're trying to do. Alright, now these parts right here peg right here on this. So they go in there like that. Alright. Alright, so you can get it to this point right here. Like I said, these are added there. So you got those. Got to bring this thing down. Alrighty. Alright, next we're going to add this on. The waist part on. So what we want to do is try to raise up that head, and they're supposed to peg in to where right here. Okay, so if you bring this up down a little bit, you can pop it behind there. There we go. All right. So now he's to that point. Now on his back, so turn him around. You've got a back piece, and you got these two little pegs pretty much going right there. So let's go ahead and get these attached. All right, so I've got this on. All right, let's say that this does make it really sturdy. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty sturdy. More sturdier than it was. Also on the back of this, whenever you attach it, you got to make sure that you attach the back piece, and these little rods go peg up in this piece right here. So make sure you do that, and it makes it real sturdy. All right. So the next thing you got is the thigh pieces. Take this, and I think this is a shield. You break it apart, and you add the thigh pieces on. What you want to do is take this and put it in here, but this also attaches around here. So there we go. Let's do it for this side. And there we go. I mean, that does look pretty good. I like it much better. What we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to turn this around and bring this in, and this is going to go to the back side of him. So it comes around here. And it pegs right here. So let's see if I can get it to peg in there. After you get everything on there, that snapped in and everything, this is what it should look like. And so you just take that and fold that down. And you want to take this and clip this on here. So it should peg right into these. So this keeps coming undone. So there it is at this point. Still looking pretty good, really good. There that part is basically. So what you got to do now is add the combiner parts back on there. So let me go ahead and do that. One note, I was using slug as one of the feet, but right here I cannot get that in there. So what I'm going to have to do is change another one of the Dinobots instead of slug into the feet. So, and you probably want to put these on before you attach the sides too. So I've got slag ready, or slug, whatever they want to call him, and pretty much just fits in like this. And as you can see, I mean, it's got some good back and forth motion. So let me go ahead and get the other ones on. I will also point out that these are the Hasbro feet, minus the Enigma. Well, the Enigma came with the Hasbro, but and these are the Dreamwave feet. You can see how much bigger these are. So that's awesome. This is the first time I bought any type of Transform Dreamwave add-on kit, and I must say this is pretty nice. I mean, the detail and everything within his fist. Just forget to focus. So there we go. I mean, the detail within this is, I mean, it's pretty impressive. It's really nice. But I just figured I'd show you that for a second. I like it. Looks really good. Real good finger articulation. They can move side to side. So hey, awesome job. Go on, do my rock on thing. There we go. Rock on. Alright, here's Volcanicus with his Dreamwave add-on kit. And as you can see, I mean, he looks pretty damn badass. I mean, look at that. 10 times better than before. I mean, that's pretty impressive. And look at his hands. Just the fact that you can pose those hands like that and just make it look like he's saying, "Roar!" I mean, it's pretty bad. Alright. Another thing you can do with his sword, you can put this sword in the back and he can hold it like that. You can also take his guns and you can put them in these little pegs, holes. So that way he can look that much more badass. I mean, look at that. Another shot of him with his sword. He looks good. Like I said, I mean, this is a great accessory kit. I mean, this is a great add-on. I mean, I think the colors are pretty much spot on. The plastic quality on these are great too. This is the first time I've ever ordered anything from Transform Dreamwave, and I will give them their props. I mean, this is pretty incredible. And it makes this figure that much more impressive because, like I said before, he was just like tall and lanky, but now he's more beefy. And he actually looks like a kick-ass Dinobot combiner that he was meant to be. And I will give them props on that. Check out his articulation. Legs can move up, swing down, hit you. All right. His legs, they can go side to side. You really can't go that far back though, so I wouldn't advise that. Said I gotta watch out for that because that just came apart. But hey, so it came apart. All right, like I said, this part right here really makes it that much more sturdy. I mean, it's really sturdy. So, the hands, I mean, they can fold up and everything. The feet's got real good. I mean, they turn real nice. It makes it that much more better. This just makes him that much more. I mean, with the hand articulation, I mean, I can't even say it enough. I mean, as far as how much more badass it just makes him look. So let's take a look at him from the side. Down. turn them around to the back. I mean, he just looks a lot better. This makes him look a lot better. Now, even though this is looking pretty amazing, what I'm going to do now is change them back to their dinosaur modes so we can see what the weapons look like on them. So with the hands, what we want to do, straighten them out. They break apart like that. What you want to do is bring this down right here like that. And these come back to form a gun. The guns can go in these holes right here, but one of the big problems I say that I'm having is actually getting these in here, because I kind of feel like I might break them. So I mean, that's one of my biggest issues with those. But I'll put them on and be right back. With the feet, what you want to do is take these feet apart like that. Alright, this will come out. Got this right down through here. This can come apart and can make a couple guns. Seems a little stuck. They painted these so you can see right there where they painted them while they was already put together. So to make a couple little guns. This is a gun. This is a gun. And this is a gun. Also, the top foot piece folds in like so. Gotta wiggle it. You gotta wiggle it out a little bit. Folds in. Create this shield. That's not wanting to stay fully together. This is what it forms. The shield goes on top of him. Slug. You can also take these back piece, bring this down, and you want to take this piece right here, turn around, and these are going to peg in right here. Alright. Next thing you're going to do is take the waist piece. You're going to bring this little tab up from the back. It folds up from the back. And you're going to wiggle it in right here. And you're going to add these two guns. Like that. And they're going to go on the back of Grimlock. You're going to take these, and you're going to put these right here. Just going to peg in. Like that. Here's the guns on swoop. Let me get a good group shot of them all. Alright, here they all are with all their weapons on them. So you can see them. So there's the guns. There's these little pieces right here on Snarl. The chest piece and the back piece that forms these for Grimlock. And the feet part that form the shield and everything. The top piece for Slug. And Sludge. The hands that form the missile launchers and everything. So that's not really that bad. I like that. think it's a great little addition. The back piece can also form a shield. So you're gonna get this little piece kind of loose to come down. So you'll have it come out, and that'll fit into one of their hands. Also take the waist back piece and you can fold it together to form another shield. And these thigh pieces can also come together to form another shield. And here you go with 2 of the 3 shields and swords in hand. If any of you have always heard me complain, I always want my Dinobots to have swords. So now I have some swords, and I'm happy. That one's okay as a shield. I mean, the way he has to hold it, he's got to divide that up and everything to kind of hold it. This one, I don't know if it works as good, because he's got to kind of hold it at an angle. But yeah, that's my thoughts on that. As far as like the actual add-on pieces for making Volcanicus, those are awesome. I mean, I highly recommend those. I mean, I think that some of the weapons that are supposed to peg in some of these peg holes, you're kind of having to force them in there, and I just feel like you might break them. I mean, but beyond that, I mean, I think it's a good set. Like I said, it's got its flaws. I love his sword. I really like that. So it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. I like it. Okay. For the past 2 months, we have been saying we are going to have a giveaway. All you had to do was comment, leave a comment. We're trying to build up the page. And the person who has won this contest is Casual706. So, Casual706, this is your prize. We have a brand new one in the pack, actually. So, message me so I can get your address, and we'll send this out to you. Thanks for your input. Thanks for your comments. Like I said, we're really trying to build the page up. Thanks to all you who have viewed our videos and everything. Like I said, we are building everything up. So hopefully we'll do that much better in the future. But hey, this is Regimus Maximus, and we just checked out the Transform Dreamwave TCW-06 Volcanicus add-on kit. And hey, it was awesome. Once again, I am out, and thank you.